So I had to get to a better position to get you guys these shots. That looks so cool. And here comes Wifey. I think this is an alternate trail. We're gonna go show you these waterfalls over here as well. These are amazing looking. So here's another view of that one. And I'm trying to get you guys in here, because this is really cool. You guys see this?
Can't walk over here.
So that's Gina complaining that we're off trail again.
No, I was just
Oh yeah, absolutely not.
That's deep. How did you do that?
I'm starting to feel the mist off of this. Hopefully we don't get a flash flood.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Because
we're done for.
yeah, we are surrounded. Yeah. Yeah, everybody just saw that. There's a close-up of Wifey next to the falls. I'm gonna go ahead and that's good, babe.
No, it's not good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good, babe. Turn around. Getting wet?
Yeah, that is
cold?
That is some cold water.
Stop right there. And go representing.
Alright, let's shuffle out and let everybody else enjoy this as well. That's really cool. It's over there. Well, we hope you all enjoyed that little waterfall there. Maybe we'll find some more. Sorry about the view. I'm just trying to be careful here. Nice little campsite right there.
I know, it's gorgeous.
It looks like somebody had the same idea already.
I'm wondering if they did.
Oh, absolutely. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Some soot.
That is, that, yeah.
I mean, it's a great idea.
Yeah, for real. Maybe next time. Have a good one.
You too. Wait,
See, out in the country, up here in the country of New Hampshire, everybody's friendly, except for drivers, but they're mostly from Massachusetts, and we all know how Massachusetts drivers are, aren't we? Don't we, John?
Yeah, asshole.
Did you hear that, John? Gina just called you a masshole. I think you need to penalize her.
I've had enough of them beeping at me all weekend.
Oh, yeah. We have had a lot.
Want to check it out?
It's not much. It's just a...
There's a little stream place.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a really little waterfall.
Well, I want to go up here to the bigger waterfalls. There you see again, there's the waterfall, and we're going to go ahead and get up there.
Oh, we gotta get back across first.
Yeah, we got to get across the raging waters. So again, people, you're just looking at the view, so I can look at the view. Make sure I don't fall and break myself, because we are probably, 2 miles up on a mountain. Ugh. See how steep this is? Whew. There. Better now that we're up that. Oh. Have a good one.
You too.
All right, we made it to the top of that waterfall. Okay. So I think wifey's puttering out.
I don't know if they can do that.
I'm gonna go ahead and traverse and at least get you some views. I don't know. Oh. Oops, wrong way again. All right, I'm gonna try. Keep on going for all you guys. Huh? It goes all the way up, man. These are just stairs now. Yeah, I don't really want to leave that there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, wifey's a little scared of heights, and as you see, it's pretty steep, so I understand. Ooh.
I'm not going to block the shot if I get it.
Oh, I was letting you pass. Definitely going to be doing the same thing.
Yeah, this is one of the cooler waterfalls in the White Mountains.
Yeah.
Because it breaks so many times.
Yep.
The others are just one big one.
Well, I mean, we're also that close to the top too, right? Like, well, 3/4, 2/3.
Top of what? Top of the waterfall?
Oh, the top of the mountain.
Top of the mountain?
Yeah, like.
You're about a third of the way.
It looked like 2/3 on the map, but you know.
6 miles to go.
Yeah.
The top of the waterfall.
Yeah, we probably won't make that tonight.
It's getting late in the day.
Exactly.
It's going to be too dark. You want to be down by past 30.
Yeah, exactly. This is probably going to be the extent of it, so. Have a wonderful trip, buddy. I'll get down in there on the way back down. Oh, yeah. Whew. Boy, we are getting there. Slowly, but surely. Yeah. This is one hell of a hike, guys. I mean, I guess I am a little out of shape. Whew. I think that's just about the top, really, guys. I don't want to get too far away from wifey. So I'll definitely go check out that little cul-de-sac down there. You. Yeah, we're not gonna make it to the summit. Definitely got too late of a start. Ugh. Yeah.
She said, perfect, my husband's up there, so if you need help, you know.
Popped open a bottle of wine and just relaxing down there.
Yeah, the whole heights thing.
Oh, man.
Me, I'm okay with it, but you know.
Heights, you're just pretty scared if you don't like heights.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's why she looked at the stairs and was like, go ahead and get me some footage.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's see if I can get in there for you guys. There you go.
We're putting up the sand!
Yeah, we are heading down. And there's wifey all the way down there, all alone. Yeah, she would not have done very well on this one. That is for sure. These are very, very, very steep steps. Very steep steps. Well, like I said, I'd take you guys down here on the way down. And that's where I just came from, was up there. Where those guys are right now. This place was really cool. I wish we could have gotten much higher, but it is getting late. I'm pretty sure my heels are bleeding just from blisters. Ugh. And honestly, holding a camera this long makes it feel like I've been doing curls all day. Ooh. So yeah, I'm going the path less traveled, because stairs really kill my knees. There's a nice little hideaway spot right in there too. Phew. Boy. So we made it back down to Wifey. Yeah, you would not have made that, let me tell you. The steps were like 2 feet tall and like 90 degrees up.
You see the old suckers that went up?
Oh yeah, they put me to shame.
They said, don't mind us if we hit us if we hit you with our dead bodies on the way down. I said, don't worry, at least I'm here in case you need me to call for help. And my husband's up further, so we're covered both ways.
Yeah. I pretty much got up to the top little one that you can see there, and it, yeah.
Yeah, and it goes 2.6 more miles.
I know, that guy was telling me, I was like, isn't it like 2/3 of the way right here? That's what the map looked like. He's like, yeah, no, the windy roads really. I'm like, yeah, we're not going to be able to get this done today. No, just to be on the safe side. So I think, unfortunately, we're probably going to call it quits. Yeah. Well, I mean, if we get out of here, we might be able to see something else. So, all right, everybody. I hope you really enjoyed this one.
This one was a heck of a hike.
It really was a heck of a hike.
The hardest hike I've ever done.
Maybe if I wasn't so out of shape and so old.
You're not old and you're getting into it.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hike back out, but I'm gonna put the camera away because my arm's tired. And yeah, we'll probably see you again at some point.